Hello friends, today in this video we'll see how to add any PC to the domain. So for that just go to the search bar and write about your PC. Then click on domain or group. Then click on change. Then click on domain and write your domain address. Then once you write that, click on OK. Then you might need to put admin details. So in my case, it's Sunil Thapa. Put the password, press enter or click OK. Your computer is going to domain. Click on OK, then you need to restart the computer. Then click on restart now. So once restart, go to the other user. Then once you click on other user, you can see over here the domain name Thapa. So this is how you can verify your computer is joined to domain. I hope you know now how to join any device to domain. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you in another video.